Hi friends, today I'll be preparing Puli Inji, which is a special Kerala type chutney made with ginger and tamarind. The detailed list of ingredients required is mentioned in the description box. In a pan, add 7 to 8 tablespoons of coconut oil for frying the ginger. Add around 200 grams of thinly sliced ginger into the hot oil. Fry the ginger until it turns medium brown. This could take around 10 to 12 minutes. Once the ginger is fried, transfer it into a plate. Once the fried ginger is cooled down, transfer it into a mixer jar and grind it into a fine powder. Add the thinly sliced coconut into the same oil and fry until it turns golden brown. Once the coconut is fried, transfer it into a plate and allow it to cool down. Into the same oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard and let it splutter. Add 2 dried chillies, 10 to 12 sliced shallots and some curry leaves and saute nicely. Add 3 chopped green chilies and saute the mixture nicely. Saute the mixture until the shallots turn light brown. Add 2 teaspoons red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Add around 50 ml of tamarind juice into the mixture. Mix everything nicely. Add a pinch of salt and mix the mixture. Slowly, the mixture will start to thicken. Now add the powdered fried ginger into the mixture and mix everything nicely. Add 50 grams of shredded jaggery into the mixture. Mix well until the jaggery melts and everything is well incorporated. Now add the fried coconut into the mixture and mix everything nicely. Add 1 teaspoon of powdered fenugreek seed and 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida and mix everything nicely. Our Puli Inji is ready.